Open the top cover of the controller box. Connect the extension 2 conductor cable to control board. Connect the 2 conductor cable of the arm to ports motor 2 of the control board. Before installing the gate opener to the gate, move the 2 stops on the gate motor inward 20 to 30 millimeters. Powered on. The bottom limit is horizontal with the rear bracket slot. Press the remote control again, and the rod stretches. The extension here is equal to the length you just adjusted. Test completed. Power off. Remove the motor cables. Determine the position of the rubber gate stop. Select the proper bolt or screw to install the rubber gate stop according to the actual demand. Assemble and fix the rear bracket in sequence. Insert gaskets or screws in turn and tighten. The bracket has multiple holes for flexible adjustment. Attach the rear bracket to the arm using the clevis pin and the bolt. Use the manual release key to release the screws hole. Put in the front bracket and use the key to lock it. The front bracket will not fall off. Fully open the gate and set up the motor to determine the initial position of the front bracket. Mark the vertical position of the front bracket. The motor connects to the motor 2 port. The bottom limit is horizontal with the front bracket slot. Press the remote and extension arm. Fully close gate and set up the motor to determine rear bracket mounting position. Put the motor wrench on the corresponding position of the front bracket. Put the level and confirm the level. Determine the vertical position of the rear bracket and mark it. Mark holes and drill holes. Select the proper bolt or screw to install the bracket according to the actual demand. Secure the rear bracket and install the arm. Put a level. Mark holes. Drill holes. Select the proper screw to install and fix it. Put in the front bracket and use the key to lock it. Gate opening test. The gate opening angle is less than 90 degrees. Gate closing test. Closes fully. Remove the motor and open the front bracket with the key. Adjust the limit stop towards the rear bracket position. Near the rear bracket position. The other one doesn't have to be adjusted. Adjust and open the gate again. The gate is fully open to 90 degrees. Press the button to open the gate. Press the button to close the gate.